Hi friends, I'm Tech. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a transparency circle on your Google slide. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a transparent circle in Google Slide, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Click it. Now just go to the shape option. Now just click on the shapes, and here you can find this circle on the second row. It's actually called oval. You can make it a circle. Just click this first of all and make a circle like this. So if you don't feel it is like a circle, you just adjust the circle like that, and you can achieve the shape. So as I said, we can transparent circle. So first of all, click on the top after selecting the shape of the circle and click transparent. Now it's look like transparent. And if you need to view the border, change the border color, so you just click here and you can just change to green, and if it is not visible, you just change the weight of the circle like this, so it will be look like this. This is how you just make a transparent circle on your Google slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.